This is going to be a video about the magnifiers that I use on my when I'm working on electronics. I made this video the other day. I uploaded it. The more I looked at it, the more I realized the lighting is wrong. It's way out of focus. It's just a really bad video. So I'm redoing it. I'm going to take that one down and put this one up. Okay, to get started, this is a head visor that has lenses for it. It's got two places for them to snap into, and it's got a headlight on it. It's got it comes with 5 different lenses, and you can use different combinations in these 2 clips, so that no matter what your eyesight is like, it's probably going to have a good effect on it. I think I paid about somewhere around $50. You can get this stuff off of eBay or Amazon, but this is really good if you're working on small stuff and need both hands free. You got your little headlight there, but like I said, it works pretty good for what it is. This is my adjustable table magnifier. It swivels, moves up and down. It works really well on a table. You can use it to magnify anything. This has a 5 times glass in it. You can get some that's got like 10 times. Right now I probably wish I would have got the 10 by, and the 10 by or the 5 by, you would think that 10 by would cost more. It works different ways. You can get them. This one costs about $39.99. You can get them more expensive. You can get them a lot cheaper. This one has the LED light in it, and that kind of helps. It's got the C-clamp that mounts to the table. I'm going to show you if I can focus on my computer screen. This is Amazon. You can get this off of eBay or Amazon. You can get them anywhere. But and then, like I said, I think this one, I actually paid about, I think I paid more than $40 for it. But there's different prices you can get. But like I said, this really helps if you're in a hurry and you're like me, your eyesight's getting a little weak or a lot weak, and you just need stuff like this. Once you start getting into working on surface mount components, you're going to have a USB microscope. I mean, there's really no way around it. I mean, you've got to see what you're working on. This is a microscope I bought off of eBay. It came with this stand. This stand doesn't have the wheels to make it go up and down. You have to adjust this screw on the back, tighten it, and hope that you get it just right so that it'll be in focus. Well, I went to eBay and I found this all aluminum stand, and it's got the wheels on it just like a real microscope, so that you can raise it and lower it, and that will bring it into focus. I'm going to do this. I'm going to show you on the computer screen. Okay. As you raise this or lower it, I don't know if you're going to be able to see that or not. Okay, right there you can see that in focus, a really good picture. You can even use the software that comes with this to take a snapshot of it, to keep your own picture of it. This microscope with the old stand cost about $20–25. This stand by itself costs about $20–25. It really makes a difference, and it's easily worth $25 to $30 easily, because this stand is what makes it usable. It's really not as usable without that stand. The stand and the USB microscope cost me about $60 total. That's a really good deal for a hobbyist like me. I've seen, more professional, more expert YouTubers who does this for a living. They'll pay like $500 to $1,000 on up to $2,000, $2,500 for a really good one. I don't need anything like that. Like I said, I'm just a hobbyist. $60 is all I want to pay, and this really does the trick perfect. So, and a lot of times I'll be looking for a part number, like this IC right here. There's no way I could read this with glasses or magnifying glass. I put it on here, it will bring it right out. The different way that you shine a light on it, that will help bring out a number that's faded. It's really worth the money. These are just 3 different ways that I have of magnifying the parts I'm working on. And this has made it possible for me to work on really small stuff. This is my video on magnifying small parts. If you like it, maybe subscribe. I appreciate you watching this video. Thanks.